And so I believe very, very strongly that mental health can help and can create that ripple effect, can create this strong movement, this revolution really in terms of healthcare, because we're looking at symptoms from a completely different point of view. If we and when we study mental health, and that is what most of our students and even clients tell us, knowing mental health creates such trust in our body because we don't look at our body anymore as something wrong or something that has gone bad or something is broken, but something that is absolutely beautiful. We start to trust our body that whatever symptoms we have are part of an intelligent process. It's not a random process, but it's a meaningful, intelligent process. And once we trust that, once we know the interconnectedness and the intelligence of our body, suddenly a headache that we have doesn't have that power over us that we're so fearful about it, or suddenly we have indigestion or a stomach issue, or we even have some heart palpitations, or we have some anxiety. We start to realize that there is actually something that triggered these symptoms, and that it's not just a random process. It's like, right, it's like if we fix a car, or if you have if you have a problem with a car, right? We have something is broken. So what happened? Why did it break? What happened? What's the cause, right? The moment we realize, or we have a sense of awareness of what's causing our health issue, the the fear and the this despair and the anxiety is actually gone, or is very minimal. And the same thing happens really with our health issues. If we know why we have something, if we know, well, I realize what has been happening, what triggered my body mind to react in a certain way, then suddenly we act, we feel, we think very, very different. And just releasing the fear of not knowing why we have health issues, or saying, well, it's just the aging process, or, well, we got a virus, we got this and that. I mean, there's many, many reasons why we have, why we believe what we believe to be true. But once we have a much clearer picture about it, once we sense and feel and hear it in our minds, what is causing our health issues and what the process is. By process, I mean how symptoms change, because we all have that happening, or had that happening, that our symptoms start to disappear, then they come back. We have chronic processes in our body mind. So once we release that fear, solutions are so much easier to find.